Hi everyone. Good evening, guys. Yeah, we are a little bit late. So now, is everything visible and audible, all of you? Audio both are visible and audible, all of you. Everyone, just check it. Someone just check it. Audio and video both are clear. Everyone, right? So now coming to our discussion, right? Today we'll be continuing which part that yeah, Anjanelu. Yes, Anjanelu. Just now class started. Don't worry. Right. Yeah. So because of some technical issues, it has got late, some 5 minutes late. Okay, no problem. We'll be doing it now. So all of you, welcome to Unacademy. Let's crack it, right? Everyone is ready to crack, all of you? Everyone is ready to crack or not? Yes, get ready to crack, all of you. Don't miss this. Right. Whenever you are subscribing to the plus and iconic courses, right, what is that referral code you have to use, right? You have to use the referral code always. RPC will live as the referral code you have to use always, right? What is the referral code you have to use? RPC will live will be the referral code you have to use. Yes, na? Right. This is my profile, and just below the video my profile link is given. Just click on that and you can be redirected to my profile. You can start following my profile. Okay. Now these are all the subjects I'll be taking in Unacademy Plus platform. And now there is an exciting news for plus students, all of you, right? What is that exciting news for this plus students, everyone? The plus students also will be getting the printed notes, but only 8,000 printed pages per batch will be getting. Okay, 8,000 printed pages only will be getting. Those who are taking a subscription, those who are taking subscription between this 9th to 12th March, only will be getting which one? This printed copies, right? Even though you are a plus student, if you are taking for more than 1 year, you will be getting the printed notes, right? Previously what happens, those who are taking Unacademy iconic subscription for 1 year or more used to get na, but now even though if you are taking plus subscription for 1 year or more than 1 year, and in between 9th to 12th March if you are taking, there is a chance, right? So first come first serve. So try to take the plus subscription and get this facility. Okay, practice PYQs with Unacademy PYQs, you can say. You can have this special classes advantages, right? These are all the GATE 2022 toppers. These are all ESE 2021 toppers from civil engineering, right? Now previously only after 13th again this is applicable, right? Those who are taking 1 year or more than 1 year subscription only it will be applicable, if you just observe. Okay, right. These are the new batches started latestly, right? Now what happens, these are the differences between this plus and iconic subscription, right? It's not right. Yeah, so that is just a promotional one, you can say. Those who are taking a plus and iconic subscription for 1 year or more than 1 year, between 9th to 12th May, you will be getting this printed notes, all of you, right? So if you are already taken coaching, and if you wanted to just go with only test series, right, then you can go for which one? This Unacademy Lite subscription, right? You can go for which one? This Unacademy Lite subscription. It will be only test series related subscription, if you just observe, as now. Right, now coming to our discussion, right? How many questions we are done previously? How many questions we are done previously, if you just remember? So we'll be continuing from the last class questions. Okay, right. So these are the latest questions we are having, right? So what are these 300 questions are done now? Right now today's class is what? Uh, part 36, right? Part 36 we are having now. So which one? Basics and definitions only we are discussing, right? Basics and definitions only we are discussing, right? Now select the answer for this 301 question, everyone. Select the answer for this 301 question, all of you. Select answer. D. Lina said D. Any other answer by others? Level surface we have seen in the last class, na? Yes or no? In the previous part, if you just remember that level surface we have seen, if you just remember all of you, that level surface we have seen in the previous class, if you just say, yes, na? 301D. The line normal to the plumb line at all points is vertical line, datum line, horizontal line, level line, right? It is a level line only, na? Yes, because the earth is curved like this. And what is it you are having? This is your level surface, na? And the line tangential to this everywhere is your level line, right? So it will be always perpendicular, always which one? It is normal to the plumb line only or not? Yes, it is always normal to the plumb line only, if you just observe. Yes, na? This is your plumb line. So now this is your which one? This is a plumb line. Yeah, this is which one? This is which one? This is a level line, right? This is your which one? This is a level line. Yeah, Lina, I'll tell you. Don't worry. This is your level line, and this is your which one? This is a level surface. And what is that a horizontal is, right? What is that a horizontal is? This is your horizontal always, right? This is your horizontal. Okay. So level line and horizontal line both are same or both are different? This is your horizontal line, and what is that vertical line you can say at this point? This is your vertical line you can say at this point. Yes, na? Anji. So this is your vertical line, this is your horizontal line, and this is your level line, and the datum line is nothing but which one, right? Wherever you are having this mean sea level, na? So wherever you are having this mean sea level or not? Yes. Okay. This is your which one? This is a mean sea level if you just want, right? This is your mean sea level, right? So this is your which one? This is a datum line you can see if you just observe that a datum line and this a level line are parallel to each other or not? Datum line and this level line are parallel to each other or not? Yes, the datum line and this level line are parallel to each other if you just observe, isn't it, everyone, right? So this is what you can see. Is that clear, Anji? Now 302 question, select the answer, everyone. No, both are not same. Did I show both are same? Hurry yaar. This is horizontal line, right? This is horizontal line, which is always horizontal, and this is your level line, right? At a particular point, it is tangential to the level surface, right? Level line is tangential to the level surface, right? Now tell me, both are same or both are not at all different? Both are not at all different, na? Sorry, both are not at all same, na? Both must be absolutely same, right? Yes, no? Both must be absolutely same if you just observe, right? Right? Right. Okay. Done. So I'll be moving on to this. Okay, Lina. Gooty Gates College, Anantapur. Once this is done, tell me. Datum line means mean sea level line. Datum line means mean sea level line. It is, right? The line parallel to the mean sea level line. Okay, or the line tangential to the line parallel to the mean sea level line. Okay, the line representing the mean sea level. That is your datum line. Or datum surface, that is actually, so mean sea level is representing mean sea level surface is your datum surface. The line drawn tangential to the datum surface is your datum line, you can say. It's not like that. Once you tell me. Okay. This we have discussed in the previous class also, if you remember. Observing the temperature at which the water boils, right? Based on the boiling point of this liquids, doing a leveling, getting the elevations. If you remember, all of you. A, B. It is A, based on the boiling points of these liquids, right? Based on the boiling points of these liquids, we are observing the levels, right? The method of leveling in which the heights of the mountains are found by observing the temperature at which water boils is known as, right? Now tell me, whenever you are taking the water at this mean sea level, it will be boiling at which one, that atmospheric conditions, it will be boiling at some other condition, some temperature, right? And when you are going to the top, as the height changes, what will happen? The boiling point of this liquid will be changing, the pressure, temperature, right? PVT, pressure, volume, temperature, right? Do you remember that, all of you? In your chemistry you might have studied na PVT relation, right? Pressure, volume and temperature, all the three will be changing as you are changing the height na from the mean sea level. Absolutely right. So they will be changing. So when your height from the mean sea level is changing, so yeah, yes, that gas level will be there, right? Yes, now whenever you are changing the height from the ground level or mean sea level, as the height changes, the pressure, volume and temperature, all the three will be changes, right? Physics, okay, it is physics and chemistry, both will be studying, right? Whatever it is. So there, that concept they are using and measuring, which one, that concept they are using and measuring this, right? That is called as what, that method of conducting leveling based on the boiling point of this liquids or any water is called as what, hypsometry. Okay, you have to be careful, right? In FM also, yes, in FM also you will be getting that. In environmental also if discussed, we will be getting that, right? 302. Now tell me that 303 question. Select the answer for this, all of you. Which of the following is not included? Hypsometry. Hypsometry is the answer, na? No, barometric, that is not a pressure measuring situation, right? Barometric leveling means there is no barometric level. It is based on the pressure. Barometric leveling is based on the pressure. Okay, A is correct, right? Barometric leveling, it is based on what? It is based on what? It is based on pressure, you can say, right? It is based on which one? This pressure, is not? It is based on the pressure, right? It is not based on what? Temperature. Hypsometry is based on the temperature, barometric is based on the pressure. Okay, is it clear, Anji? Now select the answer for this 303 question. Once it is done, tell me. Select the answer. See, any other answer by others? Which of the following is not included in the temporary adjustment of this dumpy level, right? Setting up, yes, we have to set up the instrument now. Is that no? That leveling up is no, elimination of this parallax, these are all adjustments only. But centering, is it the adjustment of the instrument or it is not the adjustment of the instrument, right? Elimination of parallax is also adjustment, which one, right? Elimination of this parallax, it is C. Okay, which of the following is not included in the temporary adjustment of this dumpy level, right? Elimination of this parallax is what? That temporary adjustment or this permanent adjustment? Elimination of this parallax is which one? This elimination of this parallax is which one? This permanent adjustment, huh? Yes, no, elimination of this parallax is permanent adjustment, obviously. So which one? Setting up, leveling up and centering. So what are the temporary adjustments? Setting, leveling, centering. It's not. But elimination of parallax, it is a permanent. That is what actually. That is right. I am including. I have given the temporary adjustment as a question, but I am selecting the answer corresponding to which one? This permanent adjustment, right? That is the reason I am laughing myself. Okay. Answer question both are given wrongly. That is what. Right. So 304 question. Select the answer. Yeah, 90 ml effect. Yeah, 90 ml water effect. Just now I taken before the class, na? Right. Select the answer from this 304 question, everyone. C. Lina said C. Any other answer by others, all of you? Any other answer by others? Which of the following types of leveling cannot be done with a dumpy level, right? What is that? Differential leveling we can do, reciprocal leveling we can do, profile leveling we can do, that trigonometric leveling, right? No, tachyometry is different, trigonometry is different, right? Tachyometry is nothing but whenever you are going for the leveling, whenever you are doing leveling with the tachyometer or theodolite with stadia hairs, you call it as tachyometer. And trigonometry is nothing but which one, right? What is the meaning of this trigonometric leveling? If you just observe, same, okay, using trigonometry, that using the tachyometer only we can do the trigonometric leveling, right? See, both same only but not same exactly, right? Both same only but not same only exactly, right? Profile leveling means it is which one? Drawing the cross section profile or longitudinal profile. Anjanelu, profile leveling means just drawing which one? This longitudinal profile or cross sectional profile, right? That's it, right? Longitudinal profile or cross sectional profile, right? That you can do with dumpy level, no problem, right? That you can do with dumpy level, no problem, right? But trigonometric level, tachyometric leveling or trigonometric leveling means what you are doing here is we are just taking this, right? This is your theodolite. You can do it with a theodolite only, right? You can use it if you are using the tachyometer, you call it as tachyometric survey, right? Tachyometric leveling, right? But if you are using only the theodolite also, you can do the trigonometric survey, right? Trigonometric leveling, right? If you wanted to find out the reduced level of this point B, what you can do? We can do this reduced level of this point B. So what is that reduced level of this point B? We can get it. So we'll be just taking which one? This angle of elevations now. We will be just taking which one? This angle of elevation up to this staff reading. Yes, is na? And based on this angle of elevation, right? This is your angle of elevation alpha, right? Yeah, yes, for your question only I am answering. This is your angle of elevation alpha, and what is this total distance V if you just observe, and what will be taking onto that benchmark, right? Onto the benchmark what we are taking, let us say this is your benchmark you are having, and let us say this is your backside. So what is that a reduced level of this point B if you just observe? This is your station A, right? Reduce the level of this B is what? Benchmark reduce level plus this backside, right? Plus this which one? This backside plus what is that you can say? Plus this V minus which one? This S staff reading. Then you will be getting the reduced level of this B, right? Like that you are getting this one, right? It is which one? It is a trigonometric what? It is a trigonometric which one? This leveling, right? So tachyometer, if you are using this constants, tachyometric constants K and C, then it will become tachyometric leveling also if you just observe, isn't it? Yes, na? Right, like that, Lina. So differential leveling and reciprocal leveling means suppose if you are having this water body, let us say these are the 2 points A and B on the left side and right side. We wanted to get the level difference between the 2 points. So what you can do, first you keep the instrument nearby A and take the staff reading at A and B, and next you keep the instrument at B and take the staff reading at B and A, right? Then it is called as your reciprocal leveling, right? Differential leveling means simply taking the normal levels. That's it. Normal leveling is only the differential leveling. Okay, there is no difference, right? Select the answer for this 305 question, everyone. Yeah, yes, 305 question, everyone. Select the answer. Select the answer. Write the question number and answer, all of you. Right? Write the question number and answer, everyone. Write the question number and answer. The least count of this leveling staff is, yes, it is 5 millimeter, right? If you remember, what are this, you can say least count of this theodolite, right? What are the things? These are the things you remember. All I'll be writing. Least count of this theodolite is which one? This 20 seconds, na? Sir, no, 20 seconds. If you just observe, right, 20 seconds you can say. And what is at least count of this prismatic compass? How much you can say? What is at least count of this prismatic compass, everyone? Least count of this prismatic compass is equal to that 30 minutes, right? 30 minutes, na? 30 minutes if you just observe, right? And what is at least count of this surveyor's compass? I'll be writing it at a time. Surveyor's compass. Anyone tell me? It is 15, which one? It is 15 minutes if you just observe, right? It's now. Yeah. And what is at the least count of this leveling staff, right? You remember all of them, right? So that at a place I'm writing, right? Least count of this leveling staff. What is that least count of this leveling staff? You can say if you just observe that 5 centimeter. Yes, na? Like that, right? What is that leveling staff? This is your leveling staff you are having, na? Yes, no, these numbers you are having, na? 5 millimeter, sorry, 5 millimeter, right? Not centimeter, 5 millimeter. 5 millimeter, okay? 5 millimeter is the least count you can say, yes, na? So, done everyone? Once and done, tell me all of you. I'll try to move on to the next question. Are this clear? Anji and Lena, least count of this theodolite, least count of this what is the type LC? LC means least count, man. Okay, Anji. LC means least count, okay? Least count. Least count for various instruments. Yes, na? What is the least dimension you can measure with these instruments? That is your least count, okay? Done everyone? So shall I move to the next question? 306 question. Yeah. Select the answer for this. Balancing of sides means generally what are the two sides for a single point you are having if you just observe? Okay, okay. Yeah, that is why I said na I have given least count for all, na. That is why least count for all I have given at a place, is na. Okay. Okay, okay. It is dependent, right? It is dependent which measurement you are using, okay? It is dependent, right? Which units you want, right? Vernier scale also, we can make the vernier scale into different conditions, na? Yes or no? Prashant, KG, we are constructing the vernier scale. I am talking about the surveying construction vernier scale of the maps, okay? Constructed vernier scale, right? You can construct this vernier scale with different things, is na? 0.1 millimeter you can construct it, 0.05 millimeter least count you can make it, right? What is the least count of this vernier scale? S by N you will be getting, na? It is depending upon the dimensions you are taking, Prashant, it will come, okay? We cannot just say that vernier will be having this much least count, okay? It is depending upon the dimensions you are going to measure, okay? And depending upon the scale which we are using. In our surveying plus course, first chapter, I have explained all these things in detail if you just observe. Now tell me, balancing of these sides means, right? What is the meaning of this balancing of these sides? 20 seconds only, yes, that is what theodolite 20 seconds only I have mentioned, na? Yeah. This question 306 question, everyone. What is the 306 question? The horizontal angles in the face left and face right conditions of theodolite should be same. The distances correspond to the foresight and backside in differential leveling, right? Differential leveling means just taking only two levels. It should be equal. the steady intercept corresponding to that, right? Which one is correct answer? This option B is the correct answer. It's not balancing the levels means you are keeping the instrument, right? Let us say this is your first point A and this is your second point B. Yes, Imtiaz correctly answered, right? We need to balance the levels, right? Why we need to balance the levels approximately? This AB distance approximately we know, right? AB distance approximately we know. Yeah, already I have answered Anjanelu Prashant question. I have answered already. It is depending upon the type of this theodolite, right? Retrograde vernier, direct vernier, whatever it is a kind of vernier, and whichever the units we are using, right? Whichever the units we are using, primary units, secondary units, depending upon the units we are using, that vernier scale or vernier will be having the least count. Okay, S by N we are mentioning na, that yes, main scale division, one main scale division divided by this number of the divisions. Do you remember that? So it is depending upon the units we are taking on this vernier scale. Okay, it is dependent, right? So here if you just observe, this is your B and this is your A point, that is your A point, and this is your B point. If you just observe it, now tell me, balancing of this foresight and backside means approximately what we need to do? Approximately we have to keep the instrument exactly at the center. Okay, so that what will happen, whatever the errors you come across, they will be taken na, yes or no? Should be equal, right? So this foresight, right? This is which one? This foresight na, this is your foresight. Okay, this is your which one? This backside na, this is your backside, right? The distances corresponding to the foresight and backside of a differential leveling should be equal, yes na? So means we have to keep the instrument such that backside location to foresight location, they must be having approximate equal distance, right? That is the meaning of balancing of levels. Now select the answer for this 307 question. 307 question, select the answer. So today we'll try to complete 10 questions at least. 301 onwards we have started now. So 310 questions we'll try to complete and close it after that. The first reading of this level station is select the answer of you. Dual material set C. Any other answer by others? Another answer by others, all of you? Backside, yes. Anjanelu said yeah, no. So if you just observe, right, I'll be just explaining that, don't worry. This is your benchmark you are having, let us say, and what is this one? This is a instrument station, right? This is a instrument station, right? That a tripod is there means it is an instrument station. Yes, Sumita also said backside. Yes, right. Now this is the first reading we have to take it now. On to the benchmark only we are taking the first reading or not? On to the benchmark only we are taking the first reading, that is backside. And after that, what is that you can say? Next point you will be taking it as which one? This intermediate site one, right? What is that you can say? This is your intermediate site one. And the next we are taking, and on to this next leveling staff location, what is that? Intermediate site 2. And on to this next staff location, it is which one? This intermediate site 3, right? Intermediate site 3. But you cannot be able to see all the points now. So then if you wanted to shift, what we need to do? This is the last point of the instrument is last reading taken from this particular instrument station 1. So I1, what is that? Instrument station 1. From this instrument station 1 last reading we are taking, right? Now whenever we are changing the instrument to this location, right, instrument station 2, what we need to do? Again we have to take on to this known point only, that is your backside 2, we have to take it, right? Backside 2, like that. What is the first and foremost reading? Backside is the first and foremost reading, and foresight is the last reading you have to take it now. Foresight is the last reading and backside is which one? For a particular leveling station location, backside is the first reading and foresight is the last reading, right? That is your 307 and this is your 308. Select the answer for this, all of you. 308 question, everyone. Yes, that is only differential leveling only. Yes, taking that is differential leveling only. Yeah, second reading means intermediate reading or force. Yeah, you can say. Actually, this is mainly we are going for which one? Balancing of sight means why we are going for, if you just observe, why we are keeping these distances, if you just observe, we are just keeping these distances same to eliminate some kind of errors. Okay, to eliminate some kind of errors, we are keeping these distances same. Okay, select the answer of you. Don't worry, I'll explain all of you. Don't worry, I'll be explaining this. Everyone select the answer. When a differential leveling is done, in order to connect a benchmark to the starting point of this alignment of a road, railway and canal project, it is called as, right? What is that it is called as, if you just observe? Profile leveling or cross-section leveling or reciprocal leveling or fly leveling. Okay, I'll explain all of you. What is that you can say this reciprocal leveling? Reciprocal leveling means, all of you listen carefully, I'll be explaining one by one. This is your river or canal or water body you are having, right? This is your river, let us say. Whenever it is a river, these are the 2 points, right? One is on the left side of this river, other one is on the right side of this river. One is on the left side of this river and other one is on the right side of this river. Then you can call it, then you wanted to go for leveling. How to do this leveling, we do not know exactly. Then what we need to do, first you keep the instrument station at this A and take the staff reading at B and take the staff reading at A. Okay, these two readings, right? HA and HB. Okay, HA and HB are the readings taken, and keep the instrument at which one? Nearby this B, and take the staff reading at B and take the staff reading at A. HA dash and HB dash, right? You are getting it, right? HA dash and HB dash you are getting. Now tell me, what is the delta H of this AB? If you just observe, delta H of this AB is equal to HA minus HB plus this HA dash minus this HB dash, right? That is your reciprocal leveling, right? Now tell me, is it clear everyone? What is the reciprocal leveling? Is it clear everyone? What is the reciprocal leveling? The meaning of reciprocal leveling, all of you clear or not? If it is clear, I will go to the other levels. Is it clear everyone? The reciprocal leveling? Yes, no? Now, coming to this cross-sectional leveling and profile leveling. In this profile leveling only, we will be having which one? This longitudinal profile. So both are similar, right? Longitudinal profile you will be having, and also what else will be having? If you just observe, cross-sectional profile you are having longitudinal profile or cross-section profile. If you just observe, where these cross-section and longitudinal profile things comes into picture, in case of this road, railway and canal, na? This road, railway and canal, road, railway and canal, right? Road, railway and canal, if you just observe, right? What is that road, railway and canal? If you just observe it, road, railway and canal. So let us say this is your whenever you are moving along the length, what happens? Do you have same cross section or different elevations, different cross sections you are having? This is a ground profile, na? This is a ground profile along the center line of this canal or center line of this road or center line of this which one? Along the center line of this road or center line of or in case of the center line of this road or center line of this canal or center line of this railway track. Okay, this is your which one? This length, along the length direction. What is it you are having? This is the chain age 1 starting point of your survey. Let us say this is your chain age 2, chain age 20. Let us say this is your chain age 100 meters from the starting of the work, right? Let us say this is your chain age 150. Let us say this is your chain age 220, like that. This is your chain age which one? This 500, like that you are having, right? how many kilometers or how many meters you wanted to go for, you can go for, no problem. But is it okay to construct the road as it is like this, or we have to change this by cutting and filling? We have to change this by cutting and filling now. So we have to maintain this level, right? We have to maintain this level for the road, right? This is a desired level and this is a existing, right? What is this one? This is the existing one, and this is which one? This is a desired one, right? This is a desired one, right? So that your vehicles will be moving on this comfortably enough. Now this is your which profile? If you just observe, this is your longitudinal profile. Longitudinal profile along the length, right? Along the length, what is the variation of this your reduced levels, right? Along the length, what is the variation of this reduced levels? It is a longitudinal profile. Okay, so in the profile leveling, two types, one is longitudinal, other one is cross section, right? But if you just observe, at this chain age 0, right? For this, at this chain age, let us say 20, so you will be having, this is a width of the road, na? This is a center line of this road we have marked na? Now how it will be? The road may be in this manner or not? So the ground may be in this manner, but is it okay to construct the road as it is? No, we have to construct the road in this manner na? So this red color one is which one? This is a desired one, right? This red color one is a desired one, and this blue color one is which one? This is the existing profile, right? What is the meaning of this profile? Means that shape of this leveling profile, right? Shape of this levels, right? Shape of this points or shape of this section joining the levels or reduce the levels of each and every point, right? That is a profile. Is that clear now, everyone? Profile leveling is a cross sectional leveling is a type of profile leveling, no? So these two cannot be the answers, and this is also not the answers. Is not? Now fly leveling, what is that you are using, right? Differential leveling and fly leveling, right? Fly leveling is a type of differential leveling, right? Simply, what is the meaning of this differential leveling? Differential leveling is nothing but you are keeping the instrument at one point, and taking readings at many staff locations. That is your which one? This differential leveling. Just simply, what is that? Differential leveling is what? Keeping the instrument at one location and taking readings of many staff locations. That is called as your differential leveling. That is your differential leveling. And fly leveling means what? In the differential leveling, what we need to do? The first and foremost reading we have to take it as a benchmark, na? But suppose benchmark is not available nearby, then what we need to do? Suppose you are doing some amount of work in which one? This Pune, and there let us say benchmark is not available, then what we need to do? Suppose at some other location it is available, then we have to shift the benchmark from that long distance. Mumbai it is available, let us say from Mumbai to Pune we have to do this leveling for shifting the benchmark, na? So no, nearby Pune we have to identify one benchmark location, right? For that we have to go for fly leveling. Okay, what is the main purpose of this fly leveling? If you just observe, just to shift the benchmark. Its main purpose is to which one? Shift the benchmark means original benchmark is somewhere long distance and our road is constructed here. So then what we need to do? We have to establish a temporary benchmark nearby our road starting work or railway starting work or canal starting work. How? By means of fly leveling from the existing permanent benchmark to this temporary benchmark where we wanted to establish. Is that clear, everyone? The difference between all these things, everyone? Clear, all of you? All of you, are this clear or not, everyone? Yeah, in a river case, that reciprocal leveling only we are using, right? In case of river, the reciprocal leveling only we are using, right? River or canal, to cross the river or canal, right? Just to find out the level difference between the 2 points. One is on left side of river, other one is right side of river. One is on left side of pond, other one is right side of pond, right? Yes. Dual material. We do fly leveling mainly to establish which one? This is benchmark, right? Mainly to establish which one? This benchmark nearby our construction work. It's not. That is also a type of differential leveling only, but its main purpose is not to find out the reduced level of any point. It is just to establish the benchmark. That's it. Just based on the purpose, you call it as differential leveling. You call it as which one? This fly leveling. It's not. But procedure you do same only. It's not. Is that clear, everyone? Is it clear, all of you? Yes, I'll be closing the session now because already it has got late now. I'll be closing the session now. will be continuing in the tomorrow's class, all of you. Okay, thank you everyone, have a good day. Thank you.